Hi friends, so today we are going to keep talking about ways that we show teen numbers using 10 frames and number bonds, so like what we've been doing for the past 3 videos. So in this video, we are going to look at page 137. So open up your book to page 137, and we're going to look at the first problem. So what do you notice about the first problem? Well, I noticed that the total at the top is missing, so maybe that's something that we need to find. I also noticed at the bottom, there are the 2 numbers that will make up the total at the top. And then I notice over here that there are 10 blue dots that must go with the 10 in blue. And then there are no red dots, but there's the number 6 in the color red. So what do you think you should do? You're right, you should fill in 6 red dots on our 10 frame. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So go ahead and do that in your math book with me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 red dots and 10 blue dots. So what is going to be our total number of dots, red and blue, put together? You can count them, or we can use our number bond to help us figure out. Remember, our teen numbers, we're making teens. So you start with a 1 from the 10, right here. And then we have 6 red dots. So we have 10 and 6 dots gives us 16. So we know that our total is 16. Great job. So now you guys are going to do the next problem on your own. So go ahead and press pause on this video and try to do the next one by yourself. Alright, now that you've done that one by yourself, let's go through it together. So what's the first thing that we're going to look at? We're going to look at the numbers at the bottom, right here. We have 10 in blue, so 10 blue dots, and then how many red dots? 2, because there's the number 2 in red right there. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 red dots, just like you should have on your paper. 1, 2. 1, 10 and 2 more gives us how many total dots? You're right, 12. You should have written 12 at the top. Nice job, friends. All right, let's go ahead and look at the last one. All right. I see that the thing that we usually start off with is missing, but you guys are getting really strong at doing all of these teen numbers, so I'm sure you can figure it out. Alright, so I see that the total is at the top, so let's go ahead and trace that total together. So there's a 1 and a 9. What number does that give us? 19! You should have 19 traced at the top in your student book. Alright. What numbers make up 19? What numbers put together make up 19? Well, we have 10 blue dots. So where should we put that number 10? You're right, we should put it right here. So go ahead and write the number 10. Remember, it's a 1 and a 0. All right. Now what's our next number that we should put? A 9? You're right. Let's go ahead and write that number 9. But where are the 9 red dots? They aren't there. So we're going to have to draw them in. So go ahead and draw in those 9 red dots. And count to yourself as you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That gives us 19 dots. So we have 10 blue dots and 9 red dots. 10 and 9 gives us 19. Great job, friends.